Hello again, traveler. It's Benji. Tonight I want to take you far, far beyond the earth, beyond the moon, past the planets, and into the darkest places in the universe. But don't worry, this journey will be calm, gentle, because even darkness has rhythm. Tonight, we'll explore black holes, what they are, how they form, and why they seem to bend not just space, but time. So close your eyes and let yourself drift into the sleeping giants of the cosmos. Chapter 1: The Death of a Star. Our story begins with a star, not a small star like our sun, but something larger, heavier, more massive than we can quite imagine. These stars live brilliant, hot, glowing lives, burning hydrogen into helium, helium into carbon and beyond, until eventually they reach a limit. The fuel runs out, the balance breaks, and the star collapses. Not gently, not quietly. The outer layers explode outward, a supernova, and the core, it folds in on itself, down, down, so dense, so heavy that even light cannot escape. A black hole is born. Chapter 2: What is a black hole? But what is a black hole, really? It's not a hole, it's not empty. It's a place where gravity has become extreme. So extreme that space folds in, so extreme that time slows down. At the center is what we call a singularity, a point of infinite density, a place where the laws of physics stop working as we know them. Around that center is the event horizon, the invisible boundary. Cross it, and you cannot return. Not even light can escape. To the outside world, you disappear. But to you, time stretches, slows, stalls. If someone watched you falling into a black hole, they would see you freeze in time, forever falling, never arriving. But you would fall through in moments. Strange, isn't it, that gravity can bend time itself? Chapter 3: The Shape of Space. A black hole is not just dense, it's heavy in a way that doesn't just weigh on space and it shapes it. Imagine placing a heavy ball on a rubber sheet. It sinks. If you roll another ball nearby, it curves toward the dip. That's what mass does to space. And a black hole is the deepest dip, a funnel so steep that anything too close spirals in. Even light bends around it. We call that gravitational lensing, and it lets us see what's behind the black hole, because the black hole bends light like a lens. It hides, while showing us everything around it. Chapter 4. Giants in the Darkness. Most black holes are born from dying stars, but some are bigger, much bigger. Supermassive black holes, millions, even billions of times heavier than the sun. And they live at the centers of galaxies, including our own. Yes, there is a sleeping giant at the heart of the Milky Way. We call it Sagittarius A. It sits in stillness, surrounded by stars that orbit it like bees around an invisible queen. And yet, we cannot see it. We only see the stars dancing. Faster, the closer they are to the center, obeying a gravity we cannot touch. We hear whispers, but the giant sleeps. Chapter 5. Time and the Black Hole. The closer you get to a black hole, the more time slows. Near the event horizon, a second for you might be years for someone far away. This isn't fantasy, this is real. We've tested it with clocks on airplanes, with satellites. Time is flexible, and black holes bend it more than anything else in the universe. Some scientists even wonder if black holes could be doorways, not to other places, but to other times. What lies beyond the horizon? No one knows yet. Chapter 6. What if you fell in? Would you like to imagine it, just for a moment? If you drifted close, you'd feel nothing at first, just darkness, a stillness deeper than silence. But then you'd be stretched, pulled, torn apart by tidal forces. Astronomers call it spaghettification. Strange name, stranger fate. Your feet would feel more pull than your head. You'd stretch until you were no longer you, just atoms, just light. And even that light would never escape. Chapter 7. Echoes of the Invisible. We cannot see black holes, but we can hear them, not with ears, but with instruments. When two black holes collide, they send out gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time. And in 2015 we heard them for the first time, from over 1 billion light years away. Two giants merging, sending out a whisper that traveled across the universe and reached us. A soft ripple, a cosmic heartbeat, a moment of proof that even the quietest giants can speak. So tonight, as you lie in stillness, Know that you are surrounded by gravity, by stars, by space that bends gently around you. And out there, in the silence between galaxies, black holes turn, silent, invisible, patient, sleeping giants, guardians of gravity, timekeepers of the dark. Let your thoughts fall into stillness. Let your breath become gentle. Let sleep take you like a feather across the edge of a world too vast to hold. Good night, traveler. This was Benji. Until next time.